Ho, 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 and welcome to ThriftVintageFashion.com. We're gonna show you a sample pack of our Cosby sweater category. I'm gonna walk you through 10 sample product that you might get. Let's jump right in. All right, our first sweater today has some reindeers on it. Again, classic during the holidays. Next up, we have this looks like it's red, green, and brown with a little bit of a turtleneck situation. Our third sweater today is a vibrant blue. This one is awesome. We love the colors on this one. Moving on next to our purple. Very cool with snowflake pattern on this. And next we have our green floral Cosby. Pretty cool. Majority of them come with patterns on it. This one is a gray argyle, but every once in a while we'll throw in a couple blanks as well. And on that subject of blanks, here we have a white cable. This one looks like it came from Ireland. They crushed the wool game out over there. Moving on next, holiday classic. This one has these little buttons going all the way up, so this is a button down. And next up, we have another reindeer. This one is red. And last but not least, another example of a blank pattern here. This one in blue. So the Cosby sweater pack is an incredibly popular category of ours. You can find those along with 50 other categories at our website at ThriftVintageFashion.com.